5 reasons your legs are getting weaker after 60. Do this before it sips too late. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker, shakier, or more tired than they used to? Maybe you struggle to climb stairs, stand for long periods, or even get up from a chair without effort. Here's the shocking truth. Weak legs aren't just a normal part of aging, they're a warning sign. Your body is losing strength, circulation, or essential nutrients. And if you ignore it, things can get much worse. Weak legs can lead to dangerous falls, loss of independence, and even life-threatening complications. But here's the good news. Once you understand the hidden causes behind leg weakness, you can take practical steps to rebuild strength, improve stability, and move with confidence again. In this video, we're uncovering the 5 biggest reasons your legs are getting weaker after 60, and more importantly, how you can fix them before it's too late. Important note: the information shared here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your health routine. Reason #5: muscle loss, sarcopenia. One of the most common causes of weak legs after 60 is muscle loss, a condition called sarcopenia. Here's what happens. Starting in your 30s, your body gradually loses muscle mass every year. At first, it's hardly noticeable, but after 60, this process speeds up. If nothing is done to counteract it, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass by the time you reach your 80s. That's like trying to walk, stand, and move with 1/3 less power than you had before. No wonder climbing stairs feels harder, or standing up from a chair requires more effort. Signs of muscle loss: thinner thighs and calves, feeling of heaviness in the legs, fatigue after walking short distances, needing to use arm support to get up from a chair. What you can do: the encouraging news is that muscle loss isn't permanent. You can slow it down or even reverse it through a combination of exercise, nutrition, and movement. Exercise. You don't need a gym membership or heavy weights. Simple movements like chair squats, leg lifts, step-ups, and resistance band exercises work wonders. Just 10-15 minutes a day can stimulate muscle regrowth. Nutrition. Your muscles need fuel to repair and grow. Protein is essential. Include foods like lean meats, eggs, fish, cottage cheese, beans, and nuts. Aim to spread protein intake throughout the day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Movement. Muscles stay strong when they're used regularly. Walking daily, gardening, or even light household chores can make a difference. Think of muscle as use it or lose it. The more you use it, the more your body fights back against sarcopenia. Reason #4: poor circulation, peripheral artery disease, PAD. Have you ever felt your legs go cold, tingly, or heavy? Do your calves cramp up when you walk but improve when you sit down? These may be signs of poor circulation, often linked to peripheral artery disease, or PAD. PAD happens when plaque builds up in the arteries, narrowing the pathways for blood to flow. Without enough oxygen-rich blood, your legs become weak, achy, and prone to cramping. In severe cases, poor circulation can even lead to slow-healing wounds, infections, and a higher risk of heart problems. Warning signs of circulation problems: calf pain that improves with rest, cold or numb feet, heaviness in legs after standing, cuts or sores that heal very slowly. How to improve circulation? Walking. One of the simplest and most effective solutions. Even short walks stimulate blood flow. Hydration. Drink enough water daily. Dehydration thickens the blood, making circulation harder. Leg elevation and massage. Elevating your legs or massaging them encourages better blood return. Reduce salt. Excess salt can cause swelling, which worsens circulation. Check with your doctor. If symptoms persist, medical care is crucial. PAD not only affects mobility, but also increases your risk of heart attack and stroke. When blood flows freely, your legs feel lighter, stronger, and more energized. Reason #3. Nerve damage. Peripheral neuropathy. Do your feet ever feel like they're burning, tingling, or walking on a sponge? These may be symptoms of nerve damage, also called peripheral neuropathy. Nearly 1 in 3 seniors experiences neuropathy, especially those with diabetes, vitamin deficiencies, or alcohol overuse. How nerves affect your legs. Nerves act like electrical wires, carrying signals from your brain to your muscles. If the wiring is damaged, muscles don't get the proper messages. The result: weakness, numbness, and instability. Common causes. High blood sugar damages nerves over time. Low vitamin B12, essential for nerve function. Alcohol overuse, toxic to nerve tissue. Certain medications. What you can do. Monitor blood sugar. If you're diabetic, keeping blood sugar in check helps prevent further damage. Boost P12. Eat eggs, dairy, leafy greens, and fortified cereals. In some cases, supplements may be necessary. Massage and gentle exercise improves nerve function and comfort. Limit alcohol. Even moderate drinking can worsen nerve issues. If you experience numbness that doesn't go away, don't ignore it. Proper testing and treatment can protect your balance and prevent falls. Reason #2. Spinal problems, sciatica, and herniated discs. Your legs don't work independently of your back. The health of your spine plays a massive role in leg strength. Conditions like herniated discs, spinal stenosis, and poor posture can compress nerves in your lower back. When this happens, the signals to your legs get disrupted, causing weakness, pain, or even sudden buckling. Symptoms of spinal-related weakness. Pain that radiates from the back to one or both legs, numbness or tingling in the feet, one leg feeling weaker than the other, difficulty standing up straight. How to protect your spine? Stretches. Gentle movements like knee-to-chest stretches, cat-cow, or seated spinal twists help relieve pressure. Posture awareness. Avoid slouching. Keep your spine supported when sitting. Avoid long sitting. Every 30 minutes, stand up, stretch, or walk around. Lumbar support. A simple cushion behind your lower back can prevent strain. Keeping your spine aligned and flexible ensures that nerve signals reach your legs without interruption. Reason #1. Electrolyte imbalance, magnesium and potassium deficiency. Finally, one of the most overlooked causes of weak legs is an electrolyte imbalance. Have you ever woken up at night with a painful calf cramp or felt sudden leg shakiness without warning? That may be your body crying out for magnesium and potassium. These minerals act like spark plugs for your muscles. Without them, muscle contractions become irregular, weak, and even painful. Signs of low electrolytes. Sudden muscle cramps, shakiness or twitching, irregular heartbeat, fatigue. Restoring balance. Potassium sources: bananas, oranges, spinach, sweet potatoes, and avocados. Magnesium sources: almonds, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, beans, and whole grains. Hydration. Dehydration makes electrolyte imbalance worse. Epsom salt bath. A warm soak before bed allows magnesium to absorb through the skin, calming muscles. Keeping your electrolytes balanced ensures that your muscles contract smoothly and remain strong. Final message: take action today. Weak legs aren't just an inconvenience. They set a warning sign that your body needs attention, whether it's sepsis, muscle loss from sarcopenia, poor circulation from PAD, nerve damage from neuropathy, spinal problems like herniated discs, or electrolyte imbalance with low magnesium and potassium. The solution lies in simple daily actions. Move every day, even for 5 minutes. Eat protein and nutrient-rich foods. Stay hydrated and balance your minerals. Stretch your back and protect your posture. Walk to boost circulation and protect your heart. Your legs are your foundation. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. Don't wait until it's too late. Start today. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs stronger, healthier legs. And let us know in the comments which of these 5 reasons surprised you the most.